Did you know that Meta AI is storing your conversation history on your WhatsApp? Here's the setting you need to turn on to delete it. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete your Meta AI history on WhatsApp. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your WhatsApp, tap on Chats. Tap on the Meta AI logo on the bottom right. Type in /reset-AI and tap on the green arrow button. You will see a notification saying that the AI will be reset to its default state. The AI's copy of this conversation will be deleted from Meta servers. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and